Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to use coins to pay on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone, and before we start I would like to mention that you can use your coins to have a discount on AliExpress and not to pay for your item on AliExpress. And not all items on AliExpress support such type of discounts. So let me show you on a visual example how it should look like. So I go to this item, and if I scroll down I can see here line extra % off with coins. And as I said earlier, not all items support such type of discounts. For example, this item, if I scroll down, I will not see this line because this item does not support such discount, and I will not be able to use my coins to get a discount for this item. Okay, so let's go back to this item that does support it and proceed to checkout page. And now I want to scroll down to summary, and I can see here line saved. So if I tap here, I can see that I use 1 coin for this item to get my little discount. And if I tap here, I can see that I have option to select do not use any coins this time, but I will use my coins because I want my discount. So as you have seen, I did absolutely nothing, and AliExpress automatically deducted coins for this specific item. And actually sellers decide themselves which amount of discount they can give you using your coins. So if I go to another item, this at the top, I can see here that it's offers me extra 5% off with coins. And if I go to my checkout, go to saved line in the summary, tap here, I can see that AliExpress automatically deducted 15 coins to this order, and I got 15 cents off for this item. So that's basically how you can use your coins on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.